get the Phantom.
I'm not.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. Fat Max Challenge. Steady hands. Watch out, Lola. Don't interrupt.
Who's gonna get it? Oh, Hannah's getting it.
Hey, and this tape measure is about 6 years old. I want everybody to know that. It's all rusty. Been through the mill.
And you know what? Skeptical says he's holding it at the other end.
Hey, filming at the other end. There ain't nobody holding it.
Yeah, bullshit. You're putting it through vision line.
Yeah, right.
That's the unfortunate
This
part.
is the best tape measure money can buy right here. This is it. Oh, I got to slide my hand back. Whoa, boy. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, it's still hanging.
10 foot.
Oh, I'm trying to hook it on the damn door ledge over there. Oh, don't do that.
11.
Damn, I'm out the door this time.
You can't stick your thing out of the door.
Don't make me laugh, dude. Don't make me laugh. Don't make me laugh. Oh, God, dog. My hand's going to come back where I'm supporting it.
12. Oh!
What is it?
12 2.
146.